Stop. Before you start learning how to code, you need to hear this. Most people fail at coding, not because they're not smart, but because they start the wrong way. They jump from Python to JavaScript to HTML, watch endless tutorials, save dozens of bookmarks, and still can't build anything. Here's the truth. You don't need to learn everything. You need to learn with a purpose. First, pick a goal, not a language. Want to build websites? Learn web development. Want to automate tasks or work with AI? Learn Python. Want mobile apps? Focus on one platform. Second, build from day one. Even simple projects beat perfect tutorials. Third, use AI tools like ChatGPT and GitHub Copilot to understand code faster, debug smarter, and stay consistent, not to copy blindly. Coding isn't about talent. It's about direction and practice. Start the right way. Follow Tech Library for practical tech tips that actually works.